Flight Chapter 3 2 Stories about Flying with. Answers. Question 1. Why was the aeroplane twisting in the air? As it was dark night. As it was a stormy night. Due to lightning. None of the above. Answer. Answer B. As it was a stormy night. Question 2. What was the purpose behind calling Paris control? To know about air traffic. To know about air traffic. To know the direction of the route. C. To know the details about landing. D. None of the above. Answer. Answer B. To know the direction of the route. Question 3. Why was the seagull exhausted? Due to running fast. Due to strange exercise. Due to crying. None of the above. Answer. Answer B. Due to strange exercise. Question 4. What was the seagull afraid of? Running. Swimming. Flying. None of the above. Answer. Answer C. Flying. Question 5. Brother seagull. Mother seagull. Father seagull. None of the above. Answer. Answer B. Mother seagull. Question 6. The pilot was not able to underscore anything. C. Hear. Speak. All of them. Answer A. C. Question 7. Why didn't the pilot turn the aeroplane back towards Paris? He wanted to meet his family. He wanted to go on a holiday. He did not want to miss the breakfast. He did not like Paris. Answer. Answer C. He did not want to miss the breakfast. Question 8. Which of the pilot's instruments stopped working first? Compass. Radio. Both stopped together. Both were working. Answer. Answer A. Compass. Question 9. What food did the seagull's mother get for it? Earthworms. Fish. Insects. Rodents. Answer. Answer B. Fish. Question 10. What was the pilot not sorry about? Missing his holiday. Driving the plane into the stone. Risking the lives of fellow passengers. Both 2 and 3. Answer D. Both 2 and 3. Question 11. What risk did the pilot take? Flying back to Paris. Missing the breakfast he desired. He took no risk. Flying his old Dakota straight into the storm. Answer D. Flying his old Dakota straight into the storm. Question 12. Which control station did he contact on his way? Paris. India. England. He didn't contact any. Answer A. Paris. Question 13. The pilot was flying from to England, France. England, India. France, England. France, India. Answer. Answer C. France, England. Question 14. Why did his mother stop midway while giving him the fish? She was mad at him. To push him to fly out of hunger. She didn't want to give him the fish. She got tired. Answer B. To push him to fly out of hunger. Question 15. The sight of his brothers flying. His siblings enjoying without him. Food. All of the above. What did his parents threaten him with if he didn't?
Answer C. Food.
Flew away. To never talk to him. To punish him. To starve him. To abandon him. Answer. Answer C. To starve him. MCQ questions for
Guys, so I hope you are enjoying learning the lessons. We will be coming up with more lessons and more videos. Till then, have a nice day.